Hello everyone, today I will show you how to enable cookies on Google Chrome. And here's how it is done. If you are primarily using Google Chrome on your iPhone, there is a different way to manage its cookie settings. Instead of opening Chrome itself, go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down until you find Google Chrome, then tap on it. The important setting is at the very bottom. Allow cross-site tracking. This option controls whether cookies are allowed to track your activity across different websites and apps. If you want to disable cookies in Chrome, turn this setting off. To enable cookies, simply turn it on. While you can clear cookies and history directly in the Chrome app, you must adjust this setting in your iPhone settings to enable or disable cookies going forward. And that is everything you need to know about how to enable cookies on Google Chrome. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.